Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, your laptop ports just aren't cutting it anymore. We're talking limited USBs, no HDMI, maybe a missing DisplayPort. Well, today we're diving into a solution that promises to transform your workspace, the Minthouz 7-in-1 Multiport USB C Hub. This compact, sleek silver hub from Minthouz is packed with features designed to expand your laptop capabilities and boost your productivity. It's currently retailing for around £30 on Amazon with free delivery and returns, so it's super accessible. Whether you're running Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, or even iOS and Android, this little powerhouse promises broad compatibility and true plug-and-play functionality. No drivers needed, just connect it and you're good to go. But what really sets this hub apart is its incredible quad display connection capability. We're talking HDMI, 2 display ports, and a VGA port ready to transform a single screen into a multitasking powerhouse. We'll be putting that to the test today. So if you're ready to declutter your desk, supercharge your connectivity, and find out if the Minthouz 7-in-1 Multiport lives up to the hype, stick around. And don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment with your biggest docking station struggles. And subscribe for more tech reviews. Let's get started. So this 7-in-1 hub provides a comprehensive selection of ports to cater to various Pharrell and display needs. It has one HDMI port for connecting to a single external display, 2 display ports offer additional options for connecting to external monitors, and one VGA port which provides legacy display compatibility for older monitors or projectors. It's got 3 USB 2.0 ports, ideal for connecting to a range of Pharrells that don't require high-speed data transfer, such as mice, keyboards, USB flash drives, printers, USB-A readers, Xbox controllers, etc. And the 7-in-1 Multiport design, as the name suggests, consolidates 7 essential ports into one convenient hub, minimizing desktop clutter and expanding your device's capabilities. It's got quad display connections. This is a standout feature, allowing you to extend your display across up to 4 external screens simultaneously using a combination of the HDMI, 2 display ports, and VGA port. This is excellent for multitasking, professional workflows, or even gaming setups. High resolution support. Windows can achieve resolutions of up to 8K 60Hz. Please note this requires checking your computer's DP version. And Mac supports up to 4K 60Hz. Note for Apple computers can only actually utilize mirror mode for expanding the resolution of the screen with this device. It's got quite a lot of compatibility along multiple operating systems and devices, fast data speeds because the USB 2.0 ports, while not the fastest standard, offer data transfer rates of up to 480 megabits per second, which is more than sufficient for most common Pharrells like mice, keyboards, and USB flash drives. It's got a compact design, portability, is made from high-end aluminum, and features durable nylon cables. The hub is both sturdy and lightweight. Its compact form factor is 10.92 by 5.08 by 1.52 centimeters and only weighs 120 grams, making it highly portable and allowing you to carry it easily for work, travel, or presentations. It's heat resistant because the aluminium shell itself helps with heat dissipation, ensuring a stable connection and performance even during extended use. In essence, the Minthouz 7-in-1 Multiport Hub is a cost-effective solution, priced at around about £30 currently, and for anyone looking to significantly expand their laptop's connectivity, especially those who require multiple external displays and additional USB-A ports for everyday Pharrells. Its robust build and broad compatibility make it a strong contender for versatile docking stations. So if you're in the market currently for something like this, you're not going to go wrong. And a big shout out for Minthouz for sending this over, the sister brand for Wavelength. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.